Hey everybody, Unbox Master, aka Master of the Unbox. Today I'm going to be opening up a Pokemon trading card game Sun and Moon Team Up Booster Pack. So without further ado, let's get her open. Yeah, it's like a typical original design. Okay. Well, I guess we got one of these. Huh. Well, it's pretty funny. Well, Mr. Troll has 1,000 HP and also causes 1,000 damage with Slap-a-Ho. Slap all the cards out of your opponent's hands. Huh. Interesting. Alright, everybody. Well, remember to subscribe and hit that like. And turn on your notifications for more unboxing mastery.